Hi, this is Ryan from Danver Outdoor Kitchens. Today we're going to discuss how to specify cutout dimensions for appliance bases. This is a properly installed alfresco grill in one of our grill bases. There's a trim kit that surrounds the grill. The trim kit is made up of a side left, a side right, and a bottom piece. It's important to note that the vast majority of appliances cannot be installed until the countertop has been templated and installed. These appliances hang from the countertop and do not sit on the actual cabinet shelf. The bottom trim height is determined by the cutout height plus the countertop thickness. In some cases where a thin countertop is used, there may not be a bottom trim piece at all. We pulled our grill away from the trim side piece to show that the grill front face will always be installed in front of the trim side. Please consult your appliance installation instructions for cutout width, height, and depth. If you cannot locate those in the installation instructions, do an online search for appliance name, appliance model number, cutout width, height, and depth. Today we discussed why it's critical to specify the cutout width, cutout height, depth, and countertop thickness prior to ordering an outdoor kitchen. All of these factor in to determine the right trim kit side pieces as well as the bottom height.